Hi, my name's Abe. Today, hopefully, we're going to teach you how to change a headlight bulb by yourself. There's lots of different headlight bulbs, all different cars. This one is a HB4. This one is a H4, which has got 3 pins. And this one is a H7. This is the most common. On the bulbs, you'll find a tab. It's very important that this tab is located properly, or the bulb will sit on an angle and it won't sit in the hole properly. It must be flat in the hole. If you've seen cars driving down the road with a headlight very bright, generally it's because the bulb's in wrong and the headlight is pitched on an angle, sticking up in the air, because it's not located properly. So it must be in straight. And it's because of this little tab's not located in the proper place. How to take the bulb out and put a new bulb in. We've done it like this just to make it easy so you can see it. So first of all, you need to remove the outer cover off your headlight, and then you'll be able to see the plug. So you need to, the bulbs will always be tight on the plug, so you need to try and keep hold of the bulb inside and just wiggle the plug slowly and take it off. That's a H4, which is 3 pin. Then you might have a rubber cover, which you can then take off. And you can see the bulb now, 3 pins. Most bulbs are held in with a spring like this. This one's only got 1 tab, which you push, and as you can see, it hooks out of there, and you lift it, and it comes out and opens like a gate. Watch you don't drop this clip. Sometimes they can be loose and fall inside the headlight. Be very careful that doesn't happen. So, take the bulb out, and you can see what position the bulb's in. You've got 3 pins on this to help for it to locate. See, it'll only go one way. Okay, so when you've taken your bulb out and you've got your new bulb, don't touch the glass. You'll put hot spots on the glass with the sweat and grease off your hands. So get your new bulb, put it in position, bring the gate back over, press it down and lock it. So put the bulb in, bring the gate over, press it down and lock it. On this light, this has got this rubber cover. You can put the rubber back on. Put your plug back on, and if you've got another outer cover, just check the light works before you put everything back.